Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a community with Facebook groups step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your community's purpose and goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your Facebook group. Consider the interests and needs of your target audience. Next, create your Facebook group. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to the Groups section. Click on Create Group. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of your community. Select the privacy setting for your group, public, closed, or secret. Add a description that clearly outlines the group's focus. Now, customize your group with a cover photo that represents its theme. Invite initial members who share your interests. Reach out to friends, colleagues, or like-minded individuals. Encourage them to contribute to discussions and share resources. Begin creating valuable content for your group. Post regularly to keep the community engaged. Share articles, polls, questions, and videos related to your group's topic. Engage with members by responding to comments and messages promptly. Foster discussions by asking open-ended questions. Create a welcoming environment by welcoming new members. Introduce yourself and encourage others to share their stories. Establish group rules to maintain a positive atmosphere. Clearly outline acceptable behavior and consequences for violations. Regularly monitor posts and comments to ensure compliance. Promote collaboration among members. Encourage them to share their skills, knowledge, and experiences. Consider organizing events or challenges to boost participation. Utilize Facebook's features, like live videos or events, to enhance engagement. Be consistent in your efforts to nurture the community. Regularly assess the group's dynamics and gather feedback from members. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.